Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to become a millionaire fast. Who wouldn't want to achieve financial independence and live a life of abundance, right? Well, the good news is that it's absolutely possible, and we're here to show you how. Financial independence is not just about having a hefty bank account, it's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. Imagine being able to travel the world, pursue your passions, and never have to worry about money again. That's the kind of lifestyle we're talking about here. In this video, we're going to share some practical and actionable strategies that can help you fast-track your journey to millionaire status. We'll be covering everything from smart investing and passive income streams to the mindset shifts you need to make to attract wealth into your life. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and start building the life of your dreams, then you're in the right place. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and equipped with the tools you need to make your millionaire dreams a reality. Let's dive in. Setting financial goals. Setting clear and achievable financial goals is the first step towards becoming a millionaire fast. It's essential to define specific monetary targets that you want to work towards, such as saving $1 million within the next 5 years. Having a concrete goal in mind gives you something to strive for and helps you stay focused on your journey to wealth. To make your financial goals more manageable and motivating, it's important to break them down into smaller milestones. For example, if your ultimate goal is to save $1 million in 5 years, you could set yearly savings targets, monthly savings goals, or even weekly savings benchmarks. By breaking down your goals into smaller chunks, you can track your progress more effectively and celebrate your achievements along the way. It's also crucial to regularly review and adjust your financial goals as needed to stay on track. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change, so it's important to be flexible and adapt your goals accordingly. By regularly assessing your progress and making adjustments when necessary, you can ensure that you're always moving closer towards your millionaire status. Remember, setting financial goals is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing yourself to reach new heights of financial success. You've got this. Investing wisely. When it comes to becoming a millionaire fast, one of the key strategies is to invest wisely. Educating yourself on different investment options is crucial to making informed decisions that can help grow your wealth over time. Whether it's stocks, real estate, mutual funds, or other investment vehicles, understanding the ins and outs of each option is essential for success. Diversifying your investment portfolio is another important practice to minimize risks and maximize returns. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries, you can protect yourself from market fluctuations and potential losses. Diversification is like the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." It's a smart way to safeguard your wealth and ensure long-term financial stability. Seeking advice from financial experts or mentors can also be incredibly valuable when it comes to making smart investment decisions. These professionals have the knowledge and experience to guide you towards the best investment opportunities and help you navigate the complexities of the financial markets. By leveraging their expertise, you can make more informed choices that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. So, whether you're just starting out on your investment journey or looking to expand your portfolio, remember to educate yourself, diversify your investments, and seek guidance from those who have been there before. With the right strategies in place, you'll be well on your way to achieving millionaire status in no time. Building multiple income streams. To fast-track your journey to millionaire status, it's essential to create multiple sources of income beyond your primary job or business. By diversifying your income streams, you can increase your earning potential and build a more resilient financial foundation. Let's explore some key strategies for generating additional income and accelerating your wealth-building efforts. One effective way to boost your income is by exploring side hustles such as freelancing, starting an online business, or investing in rental properties. These opportunities allow you to leverage your skills, interests, and resources to generate extra cash flow outside of your regular job. Whether it's offering services, selling products, or earning rental income, side hustles can provide a valuable supplement to your primary income. Another important aspect of building multiple income streams is focusing on passive income opportunities. Passive income streams continue to generate money even when you're not actively working, providing a source of ongoing revenue that can help you achieve financial independence. Whether it's through investments, royalties, or automated online businesses, passive income can be a game changer in your quest for millionaire status. As you build and grow your income streams, it's crucial to scale up successful ventures and eliminate unprofitable ones. By focusing on what works and cutting out what doesn't, you can optimize your earning potential and maximize your overall financial success. With a diversified portfolio of income streams and a strategic approach to managing them, you'll be well on your way to achieving your millionaire goals. Leveraging networking and relationships. Networking and building valuable relationships are essential components of achieving financial growth and accelerating your path to becoming a millionaire. By tapping into your network and cultivating meaningful connections, you can unlock new opportunities, gain valuable insights, and access resources that can propel you towards your wealth-building goals. Let's explore some key strategies for leveraging networking and relationships to drive your financial success. One effective way to expand your network is by attending networking events, seminars, and workshops where you can connect with like-minded individuals who share your goals and aspirations. These gatherings provide valuable opportunities to exchange ideas, collaborate on projects, and forge partnerships that can lead to new business ventures or investment opportunities. Seeking mentorship from successful entrepreneurs or investors is another powerful way to leverage relationships for financial growth. Mentors can offer valuable guidance, share their experiences, and provide insights that can help you navigate challenges and make informed decisions on your path to wealth creation. By learning from those who have achieved success in their own right, you can accelerate your learning curve and avoid common pitfalls along the way. Collaborating with partners or investors is also a strategic way to leverage resources and opportunities for financial growth. By pooling your resources, expertise, and networks with others, you can access larger projects, scale your ventures more quickly, and tap into new markets that may have been out of reach on your own. Building strategic partnerships can open doors to new possibilities and accelerate your progress towards achieving millionaire status. By actively engaging in networking, seeking mentorship, and collaborating with partners, you can harness the power of relationships to drive your financial growth and pave the way to a prosperous future. Remember, success is not achieved in isolation, it's built on the foundation of strong connections and collaborative efforts. Continuous learning and improvement. Committing to ongoing education and personal development is a key factor in achieving financial success and reaching millionaire status. In today's rapidly evolving world, staying informed, relevant, and adaptable is essential for staying ahead of the curve and seizing new opportunities. Let's explore some essential guidelines for continuous learning and improvement to help you on your journey to financial prosperity. One of the most effective ways to invest in your personal growth is by reading books, attending courses, and staying up to date with industry trends. By expanding your knowledge and skills, you can enhance your expertise, broaden your perspective, and position yourself as a valuable asset in the marketplace. Continuous learning not only keeps you informed but also opens doors to new possibilities and growth opportunities. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity is another crucial aspect of personal development. Failure is not a setback but a stepping stone to success, providing valuable lessons and insights that can help you refine your strategies and approach. By learning from your mistakes, adapting your tactics, and persevering through challenges, you can build resilience and drive towards your financial goals with renewed determination. Regularly assessing your skills and knowledge is also important for identifying areas for growth and enhancement. By conducting self-assessments, seeking feedback from mentors or peers, and setting goals for improvement, you can continuously evolve and elevate your capabilities to meet the demands of a dynamic and competitive environment. By prioritizing continuous learning, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, and regularly assessing your skills, you can cultivate a growth mindset that propels you towards financial success and empowers you to achieve your millionaire dreams. Remember, personal development is a lifelong journey of growth and improvement. Embrace it, and watch your potential soar. Setting yourself up for success requires a combination of strategic planning, smart decision-making, and a commitment to continuous growth and improvement. Here's a quick summary of the essential strategies we've explored. Setting clear financial goals is the foundation of your wealth-building journey, providing you with a roadmap to guide your actions and measure your progress. Wise investing. Diversifying your portfolio and focusing on passive income streams can help you maximize your earning potential and protect your wealth over time. Building multiple income streams, leveraging networking and relationships, and prioritizing continuous learning are all critical components of accelerating your path to millionaire status. Now, it's time to put these strategies into action. Take the knowledge you've gained from this video and start implementing it in your own life. Set specific financial goals, explore new investment opportunities, seek out additional income streams, network with like-minded individuals, and commit to ongoing personal development. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing yourself towards your goals. We invite you to engage with our channel by subscribing, liking, sharing this video with others who may benefit from this information, and exploring more of our content on wealth building, personal finance, and success strategies. Together, let's empower each other to achieve our millionaire dreams. Thank you for watching, and here's to your financial success.